everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my videos. So on this channel we will be doing a lot of lifestyle, mommyhood, entrepreneurship, and you know, I'm just gonna be on here keeping it real with you. You know, we might do a little cooking. We're family, so we're gonna be talking about a lot of stuff on here. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of one of my companies that I get some of my products from, which is BrambleBerry. And BrambleBerry is located way on the other side of town. So some of the products that I normally buy from them is like from my fragrance oils, from my women's collection, from my men's collection. So honey, chat, and then we had got some new fragrance oils. So we had got some new fragrance oils for some of the new soaps that we wanted to make. So honey, it's gonna be on it, popping these upcoming months. So I normally the scents that I normally get from BrambleBerry is from my melt and pour and also for my cold processed soaps. So you'll see later on in another video when I make some of my cold processed soaps and also when I make some of my melt and pour soaps. So give me a moment. I'm gonna go grab that box so we can unbox this thing together. I'll be right back. So I am back. I got my box right here in front of me. We finna get these scissors and we finna cut this thing on open. So this right here is the BrambleBerry box. We finna open up some of these products so you can see what I got from BrambleBerry, one of my favorite companies. All right. If you are a new soap maker or just a creator in general, they're really, really great. They have like really awesome flavors. They have really great scents. They have really good fragrances for you to test out for any of the products that you're trying to make. If you need to make bath bombs, body butters, candles, all of that, they got you. So let's go ahead and open this thing on up. As you can see, I ain't opened it up, and I had got this package a couple weeks ago. So let's open it on up. And with them, you know, they keep your stuff secure. So they put like extra insulated stuff for your products. So I got like different berries, different kinds of fragrances for all the different things that I want to make. So we have our crisp cotton, which is one of my favorite scents, which is one of my favorite fragrances. I use this fragrance for one of the soaps that's in my men's collection. That's that one. Then we have Coconut Paradise. Now, Coconut Paradise is going to be for a soap that I'm going to make. I love coconut. So the soap that I'm going to be making is going to be called Coco Loco. So, and for the Coco Loco soap is going to be use the Coconut Paradise soap. So I bought this in a 2-ounce bottle, and the thing is like so secure. They put like black tape on it. So trying to open it up now. Ooh, so I can smell it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That is Coconut Paradise for sure, baby. Put that right here so my son don't mess with it. Next, we have our BrambleBerry Fierce type. Ooh, baby. Now this is the scent that I use for my Hello Handsome bar, which is under my men's collection. Baby, Hello Handsome indeed, honey. So all right, next we got our warm flannel. So the warm flannel is a scent that I'm thinking about using so I can make something for a for our fall collection. So I'm thinking about making a soap called Fall Favorites. That's gonna be some of my fall favorite desserts, which is apple pie, pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie. So we're gonna see how that go. So I'm gonna be smelling this later so I can see, you know, if it's something that I'm really feeling or not. So yeah, that one. And then we got Bali Breeze. Bali Breeze, the soap inspiration behind that one, I'm thinking about making a soap that's like ocean breeze. I'm thinking about putting like sea sponge on it, seashells, you know, real ocean beach vibes type. So that's why I chose Bali Breeze. The description said it reminds you of you being at the beach or of the ocean, you know, any of that right there. So that's one of the soaps that I'm considering. Fairy Tale Rose is the scent that I use for my Pink Python. So I need to make some more Pink Python soap. And then I have my Lavender 4042 right here. And then I have my Lemongrass essential oil because I need to, listen y'all, I need to restock on so much of my soaps. So this is the lemongrass soap, this is the lemongrass essential oil. So I need to make more. Lavender loves lemongrass. So those are the two scents for that. I use straight up lavender and I use straight up lemongrass for that. So then, since I'm gonna be making this Coco Loco soap, honey, you better believe that I got me some coconut shell powder. Honey, we gonna make this thing look believable as possible. So that's that one. And then I'm trying to change up a lot of the things that I make for my brand. So one of the things that I do want to switch up and make is using more natural colorants. So for the lavender and lemongrass, so when I originally first made it, I used purple mica and I used green mica. So this time around, I'm transitioning and I want to use more natural colors since I'm working on it. Okay, so we decided to get purple Brazilian clay. Now lavender and lemongrass has many good qualities for your skin. That soap that I make is more targeted towards oily skin. The lavender is very soothing, and then lemongrass helps with like bug bites, oily skin. So it's a very soothing soap bar, and it's and purple Brazilian clay is targeted more toward oily skin. So yeah. So that is all for me in my box. My box is empty, so that's my BrambleBerry unboxing. Okay, so that is all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I can't wait to share so much more with you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hey, BrambleBerry. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, family. Deuce. That's my son with the outro. He's clinking the fragrances together. Bye, y'all.